Hey guys, it's Megan. Welcome back to my channel. Matt and I recently did a little bit of a bedroom update, and one of the things that we did was to put a shelf above our bed. It's a really great way to add some texture and character to the space while still being really clean. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to style a shelf above your bed. If you're new to this channel, welcome. I'm so happy that you're here. I post new videos every Monday and Friday helping you live your most beautiful and ethical life on a budget. So please click that subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss when I post. So starting with the shelf itself, we kind of wanted to be able to customize exactly what we wanted. So instead of buying like a pre-packaged kit that had the shelf and the brackets and the hardware, we actually went and got the pieces from Home Depot. The wood itself is 4 feet long by 10 inches wide. We actually got the brackets not from the shelving section, but from the hardware section where they have all the like doorknobs and pulls and stuff. I think they're really cool because they're kind of like industrial looking and they're not very polished. And I think the like raw unfinished wood really complements that with the contrast with light and dark. So one of the reasons that I wanted to do this shelf was because I knew I really wanted to add some texture to the bedroom, but I didn't necessarily want like a large picture hanging over our bed. So the first way that I decided to add some texture was with different kinds of plants. I got this little white pot that looks like a flower sack from Home Depot. It was like $7 I think, and I think it's super cute. And I just have a pothos plant planted in there. This little galvanized metal and sign is from Michael's. I think it's super cute. It lights up, but we actually don't use the light up function. Then skipping over to the other side, we have this tiny little parlor palm, and that's just in a basic terracotta pot. And then right next to it, we just got this cream colored pot from Target. It's from Project 62. I think it's really beautiful and simple, but very polished, so it contrasts the other two pots really well. And inside that is just a little rubber tree. And I actually got the rubber tree from an online store called The Sill. And I did a review of them, so I will leave that linked in the description box down below if you wanted to check that out. It's a really cool place where you can buy plants and they actually just get delivered to your door. And they're all pretty affordable, so I would definitely recommend checking them out. In the middle of our shelf, we have this framed print, and this was from my winter cause box. I also did a review / how to style the winter cause box, so I'll link that down in the description as well. But I think this one line art piece of these two hands grasping each other with the gold foil that says come together is really beautiful in this gold floating frame. Because the glass and the gold is much more polished, I wanted something a little bit more rustic for the companion piece. So I got this felt board from Hobby Lobby. I love that it has a faux wood border. I think it looks really cool, and I love the contrast of the white letters on the black felt. It came with a ton of letters, so I am definitely going to be changing this out with different like funny and witty sayings through the different seasons. So all together, this is what the shelf looks like. I really love the way that it looks over our bed. I really think it adds some interest to our space, but it's still very clean and it doesn't make the room feel smaller like a large painting would have. This is for sure my favorite part of our bedroom and one of my favorite areas in the house. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. I am on a total home decor kick right now, so if you guys want to see more videos like that, please let me know in the comments down below. I know somebody requested us to do a new house tour as a married couple, and actually a lot has changed since my last house tour. So if you're interested in that, let me know and I'll definitely film that for you guys. Again, please don't forget to click that subscribe button down below because I would really love to have you here as a subscriber on my channel. As usual, I hope you guys are having a wonderful day wherever you are, and I will see you all with my next video. Bye.